Hello everyone. Today's video is a little bit different. Well, 2 years ago, during the first lockdown, I started to make my own miniatures. Inspired by channels like sci-fi or North of the Border, Black Magic Craft, Boiler Hobby Time and so on, or The Craftsman. Well, I was sitting at home, I was bored, nothing to do, no work, and then I was like, what should I do with my time? And then I was like, I found those videos and hey, why not trying to do some of this stuff by myself? And then I just bought myself some epoxy putty and I started to make my own miniatures and dioramas. And now, 2 years later, when I look at this table, hard to believe I made all of them by myself. Some of them were, well, pretty quickly made, like this little forest sprite up here. Some took me a little bit longer, like this mountain tortoise, 3 weeks. But now when I see them all as this, well, it's a little bit amazing if you look what you've did within the last years, yes? And really, it's a little bit hard to believe that I made all of them. So, yeah. Thank you for the, what should I say? I thank all of you who are interested in my videos and keep supporting me and watching, and yeah, I hope I won't disappoint you with my further projects in the future. Yeah. So thank you for watching my attempts of making stuff, and I hope I see you next time. Goodbye everyone.